what's up guys? Welcome back to another video here on the channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing, this is part 2 of the Alphalete November launch. Today is the muscle tee, the rolled up muscle tee, and then as well as the joggers that I'm wearing right now, just these two things. I plan on getting a lot more when Black Friday comes, because they have a lot of good deals coming. But yeah, let's start with the shirt. This is the, like I said, the rolled up muscle tee. It's in all black. They also had dark gray, light gray, and a different, one more color, I think. No, it could have been just those 3 colors. But yeah, this is what you get. I mean, I'll show you the back because that's what it has, the name right here, Alphalete name. The sleeves are rolled up. They're stitched in automatically. As far as being when they're rolled up, you can't, like, I mean, I guess you could unroll it, but it would mess up the shirt completely. You can see that. It does have like a geoprint Alphalete logo here on the bottom. I can show you right now. Okay, you can see that. This is a size medium, 6 foot, 180 pounds, and it's not too tight, it's not too loose. So like normally with Alphalete shirts, they shrink when you put them in the dryer, right? And they don't really fit my arms that well because they're, I mean, obviously they're not big enough yet, but this one just fits perfect and it actually makes my arms look bigger than what they actually are, which is great. Shout out to Alphalete, that's freaking awesome. But yeah, this is the medium, like I said. Let's get to the joggers. These are probably my favorite part of what I got, that my girlfriend got me. These are the gray, black, and white. So it's solid, it's gray is the main color. You have black and white on the stripes. They also had a colorway of red. I guess the stripes would be red and black, and then this was gray, I think, if I remember. But they just have a lot of different stuff. Check it out, alphalete.com or alphaleteathletics.com. Okay, I will show you the joggers now. These are size medium as well. I'm medium in everything pretty much. I've thought about going in larges in these just because, I don't know, but whatever. Here's the front. You can see the Alphalete, it's not a logo, it's like just their name right here. I'm being stupid right now, but the front, and yeah. So right here, let me show you the pockets. They have they zip up. Watch. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Let me show you the difference why I like these joggers as opposed to, watch, I'll show you this one. Okay, so like the joggers I just showed you that I'm wearing right now, I also have these in olive. These are, in my opinion, these joggers are more for like they're more for fashion. I mean, you can wear them to work out, right? But in my opinion, these are, they just, for me, they feel like more of a relaxing type fit. You know, they don't feel like I should be fucking dead sprinting in these. You know. Look. So these are the, I forget what they're called. They have different names. They have like Origin, Aspire, but I can't look at the website because it's down because of the going up for Black Friday. But with these joggers, they sag on my ass like pretty bad. Like these, you can tell they're tight. They're good on my ass. I don't have much of an ass, so. But these, they like, looks like I have a diaper on them. I'm not gonna try. Well, no, it's okay. You get my point. Like I pull them all the way up, but then like they eventually just start coming down. Looks like I'm wearing a diaper, which is not cool. So yeah, but these are by far, I have basically the same ones in all black for these, and I love them. These are my favorite Alphalete joggers for sure. And yeah, so I got this shirt. If it's actually, let me show you what it looks like on me. I didn't even give you like a posing test, even though. So yeah, fits great. I love it. This is the end of the video. I do appreciate you for watching. I do appreciate you for, okay, that makes sense. Like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed. I'm gonna hop on COD and get some gameplays for you guys. And once I get order the other stuff on Black Friday, which should be a lot of stuff, it'll be a good time. I'll have a lot more to review. But I appreciate you guys for watching and have a good rest of the day.